Akuwona neze umdlalo ogcina imigwaqo yasemadolobheni kanye nasemalokishini ihlanzekile. Kepha ke njengoba kuvaliwe ukusebenza kwezwe, imfucumfucu ayibonwa endaweni okuvame kuzo izinkumbi zabantu. Umbuzo uthi, kuyoba kanjani mhla kwadlula izinsuku ezingama-20 nomuvo ze-lockdown?
Ayingoqhelekile ke lo kwisixeko saseGauteng. Kungabikho nephephe lilodwe eliyabula esitalatweni. Okubonakala ngathi ke kuza kuba lulutho kubahlali njengoko bethi bayakuthanda abakubonayo.
Indawo ingcolile nama ugcina sokhisha apha namanye ama-diseases, you understand, but then if it's clean you can breathe umoya fresh.
Kanti ke nesixeko sithemba okokuba kuzohlala kunje.
We are putting a plan in place that after the lockdown, we're definitely going to maintain the cleanliness of the city.
Naye uPhikithapha ufinyeza umbhinqo eqinisekisa kokuba inkunkuma iyaqokelelwa de kuthi kwindawo zasezilokishini nasematyotyombeni.
These groups are going to walk through those informal settlements and collect, but we've issued more plastic bags as well to the communities so that they use them, and then there's designated points where they drop those plastic bags.
Ukanti ke kuzawuthi ngokusele kubekwe bucala i-50 million yeRand ukuqhubisana nentsholongwane ye-corona.
We anticipate that a lot of money will have to be spent, in particular in responding to waste management issues, in particular in responding to issues around supplying our staff and communities with the basic necessities.
Kusemagxeni abahlali besixeko saseGauteng ke ngokuqinisekisa kokuba kuhlala kucocekile kunje. Ndingabongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.